Hello folks, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I'm bringing you kind of something new here that I'm trying out. This is Aspect LED light fixtures. It's a 9-watt fixture per fixture. It gives out the lumens equivalent to a 65-watt incandescent bulb. I've got two options here. One on the left here is my warm white fixture, and the one on the right is neutral white. They've got a third style that gives a different, even a cooler light temperature, and that is, I believe they call the day white. I like the warm white because it's closer, from what I see, to the incandescent fixture. The other thing is, I purchased both of these, so this is not a sponsored video or anything, but I purchased this one as a dimmable fixture. So there's a $4 or $5 cost difference between the two of these. The dimmable obviously is more expensive. I wanted to show you this fixture because it's a great fixture for retrofitting existing can lights for a very cost-effective, energy-efficient method here. Let me take you to the back side of my little sample here. I just used some scrap drywall that I had out in the garage. Here is how it's set up. Notice, first of all, this fixture is pancake thin. It's not even sticking out the full depth of this 1/2-inch drywall here. It's held on to the drywall by these very strong springs. These are almost as strong as what I remember a mousetrap to be. Then we got the low voltage connection here over to your junction box. Now I've taken the lid off so you can see the driver in here and the connections. It's a very simple connection. Connect your Romex into the junction box per your code requirements and hook up the LED driver. Now this is, as you can see on here, it's a dimmable LED driver. So that's, I think that's what the difference is between the two fixtures. I didn't take this one off so you can't see that driver. But this heads over then to my dimmable LED switch. Now the switch they sent, we can set up, this has two options to set up as a single pole light switch, or you can set it up on a 3-way circuit as well. Let me show you back over here. I'm going to turn off the single pole switch, and this is what the dimmer looks like for dimming options. Now you can set on the switch itself a couple of different settings for how low that dimming is going to go, as well as the amount of, I think they called it kick, just to jump start the circuit, how much it's going to turn it on. So there's the dimming switch. Interestingly, it does take some time to go all the way down to off. This is high on the dimming. This is all the way up. And so it's not quite like incandescent. Here's the warm white, and you can see it takes just a bit of time. I imagine it has to do with the fact that there's a driver in there, and the circuitry inside the driver takes a split second to turn on completely, and then just a couple seconds to turn off fully. But check them out, aspectled.com. There's the fixture. I added this little label so I remember what it is. the neutral white 65 watt LED incandescent equivalent. But this whole setup only uses 9 watts there. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. Have a great day.